What do you want to say? What do you... It's your birthday. How old are you?
Yeah.
How many is that?
5.
Can you count to 5?
1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Alright, how high can you count?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 11, 12.
Can you say your ABCs?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, Y, U, V, W, X, Y, and
What? Tell me your ABC sounds.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, K, L, M, N, O, P. Oh, got my book.
What happened to QRS?
Q, R, S, Y, and Z.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
That's silly. Yeah, it's Mama.
Huh?
No.
Hi.
Poor Dimitri.
Dad.
Can I see the bunny rabbit?
Okay, Anna, make some silly faces.
Smile.
Smile, honey.
You told her to make silly faces. She stuck her tongue out.
Yeah.
Oh, we got that one. Next. What's your next silly face?
Honey, smile. That looks retarded, honey.